Everyone, welcome to Training Zoology. My name is Nito Okazankara. I'm the founder of this channel. And on this channel, we talk about amazing and wonderful animals. And our motto is preserve and conserve these incredible species, like the one I'm going to be talking about today, the lynx. Now, the lynx is a species of medium-sized cat native to throughout the world. It is found from North America to parts of Eurasia to parts of northern Russia. It has a pretty wide range. It's even found in some places in the Middle East like Israel and Iberia. Now, the lynx is a species of medium-sized cat, meaning that they are not as small as your average house cat, and they are not as big as the big cats like lions. Now, they are more closely related to species like caracals and bobcats than they are to those other families. Now, what are the main features of the lynx? As you can see, it has a very slender and stocky body with long legs. Now, these long legs are very useful for the habitats that they live in. Often, they live in open places, open areas, and they can also live in snowy tundra. These long legs allow them to see far into their habitat. It also allows them to walk. It also allows them to walk and trek long distances for food and other resources. Another feature of them is their ears. These ears are actually highly sensitive. They can pick up a wide range of sounds in their environment. And as you can see, they have these black tufts on their hair, on their ears, similar to the ones that caracals have. This allows them to waft more sound into their ears. Now, these legs, like I said before, they are also quite powerful, allowing them to run at incredible speed. And they have a pretty small tail, not as long as your cat's own, and not as long as the tails of the big cats too. But this short tail is also an adaptation. It's also a key part of them. Now, they have a slender body, which also aids in their sprinting and running abilities. Now, lynxes, like I said, they have a diverse range throughout the world. They are found mostly they can be found from dry places like in the Middle East to more cooler places with a lot of snow, like places in Canada and also in Russia. Now, they often stay in these places. They have a very wide range. So, what do they do? What do they feed on? Now, lynx, they feed on a wide range of prey. They are carnivores. They are not herbivores and they are not omnivores. They are carnivores. They feed on a wide range of animals, practically whatever is smaller than them and they can fit into their mouth. Whatever they can get their paws on is what they will eat. Now, they feed on a wide range of animals from lizards, rodents, small birds, and they can even feed on young deer in some parts where they live. Now, often they are much more bigger than bobcats, which they share their home in North America. They are often much more bigger than bobcats, and sometimes bobcats and lynx can engage in fights and conflicts, mostly for territory and resources too. Now, these lynxes are actually very important to their environment. They keep the number of prey down, and in North America, their main prey is rabbit. And as you know, rabbit can be pests in some areas, and they also help in controlling populations and all that. Now, there's a lot to learn about lynxes. There's a lot of traits that they have in common with the rest of the cat family. Like they have whiskers. As you know, these whiskers allow them to sense their environment more better. They allow them to sense even the thinnest and slightest of vibrations and movements in their environment. They are also very fast. They are good at jumping and they can even swim, but not they are not really keen or have a nice affinity with water like other species like the tiger and jaguar. Now, as I said, lynxes are very important to their environment, just like many other creatures are. And and in most of the parts where they stay, they are often at the top of the food chain. So they rely on all the other levels below them to survive. And when these levels are disrupted, this can lead to a drastic decline in their population. Now, some subspecies like the Iberian lynx are almost completely gone from the face of the earth, mostly because of hunting and all that. Hunting is one of the main driving factors that has led to the extinction of numerous animals across the world. It's because of hunting today that we don't have giant megafauna like the woolly mammoth and saber-tooth tigers. It's because of hunting we practically hunted already struggling populations into complete extinction. And if such hunting continues, we can lose incredibly important creatures in our environment throughout the world. And this needs to be put to a hold. We need to stop hunting these animals up and down, especially the ones that are extremely important. In fact, all life is important, be it in one single area or be it in the entire world. All life is important, and life makes Earth unique. So we need to preserve and conserve these amazing animals for more generations to come. I hope you learned a lot about these creatures today. I hope you're going to like, share, and subscribe to my channel for more amazing animal content. Thank you.